Hello guys, it's another beautiful day here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we will take a quick look at the Intimidator. Engine has stayed relatively clean from the last time I cleaned it. I washed it. I got into the habit of spraying my this under the hood here with the pressure washer, but luckily there isn't components in here that could actually be damaged. The body has held up well. I took away the mirror that was on here. They've been drilling holes. It's just like you give somebody a hammer and they don't have some nails to use the hammer on, then suddenly everything looks like a nail. Same thing, you give a drill to a guy and they start drilling everywhere, as you can see. But that's a story for another time. No issues there. We got the door to where it can close once more, and then we also lubed it, as you can see. Added some more lube, did the same on both sides. So the good thing with these plexiglass doors is that they give you such great visibility, but the downside is as soon as the temperature outside starts warming up, then it becomes like a greenhouse. The heat, it just accumulates the heat and it gets quite hot. All right. So if you guys remember, I changed the battery from the regular small lead acid battery to a bigger marine grade battery. Reason being that with the marine battery, it allows itself, I think, to be discharged to a lower level, and also it can go for longer without being recharged, without being used, without dying. So for me, that was a major plus. I needed that capability where I could have it sitting for a couple of days, 2 weeks, and then jump right in and fire it up and it starts. So that's what the bigger battery looks like. I still have to work on the mounting. That way it sits there nicely. Okay. And of course there's still the piece right here. I'll have to go underneath and figure out where it came from. That was from the person who worked on the Intimidator. So he took that from the bottom. He said something about the transmission. So I hope that's not what holds the transmission in place, but yeah. So let's find out how the Intimidator starts with the bigger battery. Get the key. I really love the newer style, or the Mahindra style retriever and impact styles with the bigger screen. It gives you so much more information. Get the key on, turn off the fan, let it do its little thing. Give it a few seconds. It's in park. I give it a little bit of gas usually when I'm about to start. Just a little bit, a touch of gas. And let's go. My Bendix is not good, that's why I crank for so long. Give it a few moments. Yeah, this is the fight I have every day. Wow. It says 104 degrees right now. Still too cold to idle. Yeah, still too cold. That will do the trick. Woo! Yeah, so that's why I got the bigger battery. Always have to crank it for so long. LED lights here. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.